right? When you solve the equations, first you have to check the unknowns, right? There are two types of unknowns given, x and y. Then you check what are the coefficients of them. X coefficient 1 and 1, positive 1 and positive 1. The coefficient of y, this one positive 2, this one negative 4, right? Then one unknown, first you have to remove to find other unknown, right? Then which unknown you can remove? You can remove the equal coefficients containing unknown, right? Equal coefficients mean the coefficient magnitudes equal, right? Then you can see x and x, the coefficient both are 1, so you have to remove x. Then you check the signs of these two coefficients, this one positive, same signs. So to remove same signs terms, you have to subtract two equations. Then I am going to subtract the two equations. I will subtract second equation from first equation. That means 1 minus 2. Right? Equation 1 minus 2. Then also you remember, you put the brackets. It is suitable for you. Right? First equation, left hand side, x plus 2y. Second equation, left hand side, x minus 4y. Then you look at the right hand side of both equations, 11 and 5. Then I can write 11 minus 5. Then carefully remove the brackets. First bracket outside the term is positive 1. So x and 2y you have to multiply by positive 1, right? Then also you consider the signs when you multiply. Positive multiply positive, positive. 1 multiply x, 1x. 1x we can write x. Positive multiply positive, positive. 1 multiply 2y, 2y. Then this one outside the bracket is minus 1. Right? Then negative multiply positive, negative. 1 multiply x, 1x. Negative multiply negative, positive. 1 multiply 4y, 4y. Equal 11 minus 5. It is 6. Right? Your answers are correct. These two steps. Correct. Right. Then let's go to do next one. What? Plus x and minus x you can remove. No? They are cancelled. Because this one is plus 1x, this one is minus 1x. So they are cancelled. Then plus 2y plus 4y. Plus 2 plus 4 add. What is the answer? Positive 6. So these two addition is 6y equals 6. Now both side what you can do to find y? Both side you can divide by 6. Then 6y divides 6 equals 6 divides 6. 6 and 6 cancel. Y equal 6 divides 6 1. Right? It is the value of y. Then this value you can substitute any equation, equation number 1 or equation number 2. Right? I will substitute y equal 1 to equation. I will substitute for the first equation. Right? The first equation is x plus 2y equal 11. X we want to find 2y. 2 multiply y. Y is 1 equal 11. Then you can solve x 2 times 1 2 equal 11. Then this plus 2 you have to remove from this side. No, to remove plus 2 what you have to do, both side you have to put minus 2. X plus 2 minus 2 equal 11 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X equal 11 minus 2 9. So x is 9. Then finally you can write the solutions. No, then I can write finally, therefore solutions y equal 1 and x equal 9, they are the solutions. It is the solving method of the simultaneous equations.